How about the 1995 AM General Humvee M998 pickup? OD green. Is that olive drab?
It's Olive Drab.
OD green
It is.
over black. Mm-hmm. Redone from the ground up. 6.5 liter Navistar diesel V8 with a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission. Got them Rod Hall extended shocks.
It's good for tall snow.
Tall snow. It's apocalypse ready.
It is neat. I mean, everybody should have one of these.
I think you should. Just don't go through the drive-thru at the Burger King.
At Dunkin' Donuts.
You'll never get through.